I am going to show you how to screenshot gesture on Google Pixel Watch. Swipe down from your Pixel Watch home screen. Select the gear icon to access settings. Swipe up until you find gestures. Swipe up until you find the screenshot option and make sure that it is activated. You can take a screenshot by pressing the Pixel Watch crown and side button at the same time. When the gesture is done correctly, the screen should light up and then show a preview thumbnail of your Pixel Watch screenshot image. Your phone will get a notification requesting where to send your Pixel Watch screenshot. I usually choose to send my Pixel Watch screenshots to my Files app on my phone.